Hello, traders. Today is Thursday, July 10th, and this is my analysis for gold. And we're on the 1 hour time frame, zoomed out quite a bit because I wanted to make sure everybody could see that I think that this right here is five waves up for an A. I think this whole move down right here is a wave B. We had a break of structure yesterday, which I think confirms the wave B is over right at the 61%. More than likely, this is now going to be making higher highs, higher lows for a wave C. I think this whole thing is an ABC of B on the daily time frame, and it probably will make a little bit of a pullback at some point, maybe even today for wave two. But I think it's going to make an impulsive one, two, three, four, five waves to the upside for a wave C of wave B. I think the most likely area is it could turn here because there's a big gap there, but I think it's going to potentially go up and take out these highs. And then once that ABC is complete, it probably will end up continuing the downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord group linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.